So today is a high risk out in Dixie, but we're going to try and see if we can find a tornado on a completely separate target area closer to home on the surface low in southwestern Missouri. It definitely looks quite a bit more conditional, but favorable enough for supercells and potentially even a tornado. Man.
Oh, look at the horizontal noodle up here.
Is that something big right there?
Yeah, dude. I think that's a bug. I think you're right. Or at least it's something.
Yeah, it's swirling around. That's a tornado.
See it?
No. In a little bit. Yeah, you can see the edge.
You can see the edge of the tornado for sure.
Man, listen to that. Just had tornado cross through here. Minor damage.